Nice day Saturday, wasn't it?
Yeah, but football it wasn't that well, apart from scoreline.
But I went to City game, I was telling him.
Good morning. Another fine week we have here in West Yorkshire. It's a bit damp today, but not as bad as we've had in the last few weeks. That has been bad. Speaking of which, I think on last week's video I said we're doing 2 schools. The second one being Royd's school over in Leeds. We never actually got to that. In fact, me and the caretaker had a conversation about it. Decided it was just not doable with the weather. It was just too boggy. We'd have made more of a mess. So we've put that job off now till the Easter holidays. So that's better. So this week we've actually got a lad on holiday. Baggy's on holiday. So I might even have to come out of retirement for the day tomorrow because Justin's doing his speed awareness course or something, the naughty boy. So I'm going to have to take the rest of the lads to the job, the site. It's a little timber job near us, thank God, for the morning while Justin's doing that. Then he can take over. So I might get some good footage whilst I'm there, like a step-by-step guide that the lads never do. So anyway, I'll have a think about that one. And then we've got another decent timber job, sort of middle to end of the week. And then I've got a steel repair job, I think Friday. Oh no, sorry, Friday's a palisade job at school. Only about 14 metres, I think it was. So quite a steady week for us really this week, which I've done on purpose with Baggy being off because I don't like being on tools that much. So yes, keep tuned and we'll see how we get on. Thank you.
Alright guys, just in Airedale fencing, so what an awful day it is. Literally we're all soaking wet, muddy as hell. It's like a swamp in this place. See, ripped it all out this morning. Still got some concrete posts just to get out. As you can see, there were a fair bit to rip out. If I as you can see, all that to rip out, take away, build back up. Horrible day, all rainy, and then we've got to deal with swamp of a garden at back. Most of the rip out's done. That back fence is coming out, and then we just start digging holes. Got ramp going over at swamp. Jamie, you were the first one to nearly fall in already, aren't you?
Yeah. Mark said, oh, it's only a little river.
Oh yeah, Mark, it's only a little river. Yeah, he nearly fell in. Luckily enough, I was there, grabbed him. But yeah, we'll carry on. Obviously, start digging holes very soon. Start getting all the posts in. And then tomorrow we'll start railing it up once all posts have set. Thing is, when it's raining like this, it's very hard to, do it all in one day just because the posts and stuff need to set as well. As you can see, there's a hell of a lot to do. 2-day job in this lovely, lovely weather. As you can see them all up like that. Right, time to crack on, guys. We'll see you later. All posted all the way down this side. You see, it's literally like we can't even hardly walk on it now. It's like a slippy slope. So if I go over on camera, you can all laugh at me. Got these 2 happy chaps. It's nightmare. This is what we're living dream. What we're contending with. That's all to take to tip, get rid of, and then come up to the side of the garage. So what we're going to do is get up posting today. So yeah, we're going to get all the posts in today. Let them all set overnight, just because it's so fucking wet and boggy around here. Lay it all set, come back tomorrow, start doing hot rails and start peeling it up. I'll probably have at least 2 to 3 skip runs to do with all this, and then we should be good. But yeah, right, well, we've got 2 hours left, so we're going to get all these posts in, so we will catch you later. I'll show you it once all the posts are in as well. Let's go have a look. Jamie's already been cracking on this morning. We got it all railed up. We got the van cleaned, ready to go pick up some more bits. you can see, bridged over the river. I'm going to add some 7-foot palings. Say that again, mate.
No. I'm just going to wait until you finished it, mate.
Yeah. I want to see you doing some work, Jamie. So 7-foot ones are going to go over the riverbed there, a bit higher. And same at the other side. See that. But today it'll all be finished up, looking like a new garden. I'm just going to finish railing this and then I can literally start paling. Then we'll let you see the end job once we're finished.
Good morning. Nice early one for us this morning. I've had to get the old hat back on, so it's a bit nippy, a bit frosty, but at least it's not raining like it did yesterday. So we're just on this unloading for this job down at Shipley, High Busy Lane. So I don't know if you can see into the sun, but we actually did that one last week over there. Look at what we're doing, just through this little shade ginnel here. We did this one a few months ago that had all blown down. You see, lads did this with this little gate. Strange you think of wanting this doing, but no. Apparently this belongs to the neighbour who's doing that one. So we're just actually repairing these few panels here. So another great week for us at Airedale fencing. Weather's not been kind again. I wish it would just get to summer now. But we've got planned some jobs and we've got through quite a few. Bit of a bog at a domestic timber job we did, but anyway, client's really happy and that's what matters. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like. We'll see you next week.